Let Advanced Appliance prepare your heating and air systems for the winter months. Have your system checked for only $50 or buy a maintenance contract for $100 and receive 2 checkups a year and a 15% discount on repairs to any appliance in your house. Save energy and lower power bills by trimming bushes back at least 2 feet from your outside unit. For more helpful tips or to set up a service time, call Advanced Appliance in Winston-Salem at 336-924-4186.